Hi there and welcome to a video illustrating how you can change the settings of your deferred payment arrangement calculator. The first thing you're going to need to do is log into the system management area of the solution that we provide you. The next thing you need to do is click on settings, and that's going to take you into the area where we can change things to make it more localized to our council. So if we select DPA calculator from the drop down, you'll see that the top items are relating to the APIs. We're going to bypass that and go down and focus on the interest rates and things like that, those things that are of particular importance to yourselves. So if I click on interest rate, we can automatically change that to whatever the value is, but do bear in mind that it can't be higher than the nationally set value. We can change the weekly care cost, and we can also change the default weekly duration of care that's going to be used in the main calculation. And we can also change the local authority fees that are going to be charged, and if we wanted to allow a person not to be able to get email results, then obviously we could set that to false as well. The next setting is controlled by two different numbers. So if you set the compound frequency to 1, then it will be calculated daily, and if you set it to 2, it will be calculated weekly. Local authority fees mode, as the information on the right hand side explains, allows you to change the way in which you charge people for having the arrangement. As well as these settings, it's possible to control what the person sees in the subject line of their email as well as the body of the email. So if you wanted to write a long message, you could copy it and paste it within here. But ultimately you can say whatever you like in that message. So you could even include things like hyperlinks to other areas, perhaps for support or whatever, or guidance. You can basically make this your own. Once you've made changes, what you're going to need to do is publish these to the test and live environment. So you'll see that there are some settings at the top where there's an edit option. These ones you can edit in the test and live environment there and then. However, the other ones, like the interest rate, for those to be published across to test, we need to press the publish hyperlink, which I've just done. You then need to provide a reason for this, so that you can view this in the log of all changes. But you'll notice that when we go into settings and change it to the DPA calculator, we can see that now the lower rate of 2.35 is in development and test, but it's not in live. And that's because we published it only over to test. You would just repeat the process to get it to live. Many thanks for watching the video.